Electric vehicles are the future of mobility. We are adding a layer of freedom. Enabling FreedomEV is as simple as pasting one line of code to your Tesla. Here, you can select it. We go to our root shell on our Tesla and paste. Installation script will run. It will verify if it's not running a chroot, not yet installed. If it's the correct car, it will download and install the FreedomEV Start script and install it inside the Chrome tab. That's all it does. And it says FreedomEV installed. Have fun. After that, we only need to insert a USB stick. When the stick is inserted, within the minute, FreedomEV will detect that it's there. FreedomEV is configurable through a web interface. And the IP address of the machine, and see all the different modes to enable. If we remove the USB stick, the FreedomEV software will detect the stick is no longer there and stop all remaining software.